Good afternoon everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Desman Bursyaan. I am AB1. I am from HKBP Nomensen University Medan. Here I will present the topic of identifying segments and target markets. Identify market and choose the markets. A. Background. Rapid economic growth causes companies to constantly monitor the market and adjust to market change. In that case, the company needs the right strategy in order to meet the goals and achieve their goals, because the strategy determines the success of the company. Identifying market segments is the first step needed in planning and developing strategy in a company. In situation where customers find many choice, the success of product marketing will largely be determined by the suitability of the product to the need of customer in certain segment. The company cannot deal with all of its customers with a large, broad of diverse market, but they can divide the market into customer groups or commonly called segments with different needs and desires. Then, the company must also identify which market segment it can serve effectively. This decision requires an in-depth understanding of customer behavior and careful strategic thinking to be able to meet their goals. Atau pembahasan. A. Identifying market segments. Number 1. Understanding market segmentation. Market segmentation is the division of group of buyers who have different needs, characteristics of behavior in a particular market. Market segmentation can also be interpreted as identifying the analysis of the difference between buyers in the market. Market segmentation, according to Philip Kotler and Gary Armstrong, is the division of a market into several different buyer groups. Market segmentation can be intended as a division of different market atau heterogeneous into homogeneous market groups, where each group can be targeted to market a product according to the need, desires of characteristic of buyer in the market. There are several effective segmentation requirements, namely, number 1, can be measured atau measurable, size, purchasing power, and market profile must be measurable to be a certain degree. 2. Achievable. Market segments can be effectively reached and served. 3. Large enough. Market segmentation is large enough or enough to provide a profit that can be served. A segment is a homogeneous group that is of sufficient value to be served by an appropriate marketing program. 4. Can be differentiated atau differentiable. Differentiable means that the segment can be clearly distinguished. 5. Can be implemented atau actionable. Actionable means that the segment can be researched or served by the company resources. Benefit and objective of market segmentation. Market segmentation objective. A. It's easier to distinguish the market. The company will look for customers who have a homogeneous nature so that it will be easier for the company to understand customer relief and needs. Thus, the market will be easier to distinguish between other market groups. B. Service to customer become better. There are 4 important things that always appear in every customer, namely good satisfactory serving, affordable price, good quality goods, and timelessness. Among the 4 things that most dominate is service. Quite a number have proven that customers move because of poor service process. C. More leading marketing strategy. Serving the market widely with heterogeneous consumer will be very difficult to do. With market segmentation, companies will focus more on serving homogeneous customers. Thus, the marketing strategy that has been planned can be more targeted or directed in combining the marketing mix so that it produces sharper effect. In addition, management will find it easier to direct vote and afford to where the most profitable market can plan product that can meet the market and the site promotion that are right for the company. Benefit of market segmentation. A. Channeling money or business into potential market that will benefit. B. Plan the product well that can meet market demand. C. Determine the most appropriate way of promotion. D. Choose a good advertising media and find out how to allocate well. E. In terms of promotion can be arranged as well as possible. F. The seller will be in a good enough position to direct and compare opportunity or expectation in marketing so that they are able to learn these segments. G. Sellers can use their insight to respond to different marketing efforts so they can allocate budget appropriately. Number of different segments. C. Formation stage. At this stage, group are formed based of different in attitude, behavior, demographic, psychological, physiographic, and media pattern. From the dominant traits found in the group, profile names are given to the group segments. D. Market segmentation criteria. The company realizes that the production they will not interest all customers. Basic of market segmentation. A. Basic of market segmentation in the customer market. Number 1. Geographic variable. These variables include region, regional sites, city sites, and climate density. 2. Demographic variable. These variables include age, family, lifestyle, income, education, and other. 3. Psychological variable. These variables include social class, lifestyle, and personality. These variables include benefits, so user status, user level, loyalty status, and attitude to the product. D. Basic of segmentation in industrial market. A. Phase 1. Within to determine macro segmentation, namely the end user market, geographical location, and the number of subscription. B. Stage 2. Namely attitude toward the seller, personality traits, product quality, and customer. Number 6. Market segmentation level. Number 1. Mass marketing, mass production, and distribution, and mass promotion of product. 2. Marketing segment. Separating the segment that form the market and adapting is offered to fit the needs of one of this segment. 3. Niche marketing. Focusing on sub-segments or market niche that have a number of unique innate characteristics. 4. Micro-marketing. Decide practice and product marketing programs to match what is desired by individuals and specific location, including local and individual marketing. Number 7. Example of market segmentation. A. Aqua market segmentation. In its geographical segmentation, Aqua addresses all markets in the territory of Indonesia, not only in urban areas, but we can also find Aqua product in the suburbs, even in the countryside. Demographically, Aqua target people in all sizes and genders. Samsung Galaxy Young Market Segmentation. As the name implies, the Samsung Galaxy Young is intended for those who are young at heart, especially students and students. Support with a thin design and quite a lot of color choice. This phone is intended not only for women but also for men. Equipped with a camera of 2 MP, this phone is targeting those who love to take pictures. In addition, HTML browser and 3G networks and that are created so that users can keep up to date with the internet world that continue to bombard and not miss that news. Geographically, the Samsung product has been throughout Indonesia and also in several other developing areas such as Malaysia, Singapore, India, and other countries. Psychographically, this phone is intended for people who always want to connect to the internet at high speed, love to take pictures and multimedia. Also for work needs because they can open document file. Honda Beat market segmentation. Honda Beat is a type of automatic scooter type vehicle with its price at 25 million. Demographically, Honda Beat is targeting students as its market segment. Psychographically, the Honda Beat is aimed at young people who like comfort and practicality. Choose a target market. Number 1, understanding the target market. The target market is a rather homogeneous group of customers to whom the company wants to approach it in order to be able to attract its appeal to buy the marketed product. The target market is an activity that contains and evaluate and select one or more market segments that will be entered by a company. If the company wants to determine which market segments it will enter, the first step is to calculate and assess the profit potential of the various segments. So, in this case, the marketer must understand very well about the technique in measure market potential and predict demand in the future. B. By developing a marketing report for each of test target market. The process carried out in this case is 1. Identifying the basic for segmentation in the market. 2. Development profile of the resulting market segment. 3. Develop measures or criteria of the attractiveness of existing market segments. 4. Choose new target market. 5. Develop product position for its target market segments. Number 2. Evaluate market segments. Before choose a target market, you must evaluate the market segments by taking into account 3 factors, namely 1. The size and growth of segments that help. A potential segment has the right size and growth characteristic. Competition will soon enter the growing segments and reduce the profitability of these segments. 2. Structural attractiveness of segments. A segment might have the desired size and growth characteristic, but it is not attractive from the perspective of profitability. Active specialization. How the company select has number of segments is intuitively and objectively Swiss. Based off the company goals and results that have the potential to generate money. Example, radio announcer who wants to attract young and old listeners. 3. Product specialization. In this case, the company concentrates in producing certain products that are sold to several segments. The advantage of this product specialization strategy is that this strategy is able to build a strong reputation in certain product area, but the disadvantage is if the product is replaced by more sophisticated product of the same type. Example are timber company that concentrate on making and selling their products such as school desks and beds to public and private school. Microscope company that sell microscope to labs, government office, and university. Number 4. Market specialization. The company concentrates on serving the various needs of the particular group of customers. The advantage of this strategy is that the company gained a strong reputation by specializing in serving customer group and becoming a marketing channel for all products used by this customer group. The unfortunate rise is that this group of customers might have to cut their budget and reduce purchases. For example, a company that sells a variety of products to a university laboratory consisting of a microscope, oscilloscope, Bunsen burner, and chemical turning. Number 5. Coverage of the entire market. The company tries to serve all customers by providing all the products that customers need. Usually, the very large company that can and is able to serve all needs and serve the entire market coverage strategy. Large company can cover the entire market in two general ways, namely through indifferentiated market or through differentiated marketing. Number 1. Conclusion. Market segmentation according to Philip Kotler and Gary Armstrong is the division of market into several different buyer groups. Market segmentation can be intended as a division of different market heterogeneous into homogeneous market group, where each group can be targeted to market a product according to the needs, desires, or characteristics of buyer in the market. The target market is a rather homogeneous group of customers to whom the company wants to approach to be able to attract people to buy the market product. Number 2. Suggestion. A company when creating a product must determine the intent target market segments by considering the terms, criteria, procedure, and so on. Next, choose the target market according to the chosen market segments by conducting various evaluation and consideration regarding the market segmentation. So that I can present, if there is a pronunciation of words that are less pleasing, I will be forgiven. Good afternoon and healthy greetings.